Hello, kids! Today, we are going to learn about subject and predicate. Let's begin our lesson. Every complete sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. The subject is what or whom the sentence is about. The predicate tells us something about the subject and contains the verb in a sentence. We know that a verb stands for the action in the sentence, but who does the action? The action is done by nouns or pronouns in sentences. As a result, they are referred to as the subject of a sentence. Firstly, the subject of a sentence can be identified by asking the question who or what the sentence is about. Or the object of a sentence is the person who is implied. Secondly, the predicate of a sentence can be identified by identifying the part of the sentence that contains the verb. The predicate of a sentence tells us what the subject is, was, were, or has had. Let us look at the example. The watchman blew the whistle. Who blew the whistle? The watchman, subject. What is the verb in the sentence? Blew, verb. What did the watchman do? Blew the whistle, predicate. Let's solve. Identify the verbs in the given sentences. The policeman arrested the thief. Arrested. My grandmother will bake a cake for me. Will bake. My father phoned the doctor. Phoned. My sister sings a happy song. Sings. I annoyed my friend. Annoyed. Now, let's match the subject with its predicate. The laptop is placed on the table for charging. A girl ran. Rajat sang at the party. The earth is spherical. She is hungry. My brother hit his car with a pole while parking. Himani is looking to hide during the rain. These books belong to me. Let's separate the sentences into their subject and predicate. The rose is a beautiful flower. Subject, the rose. Predicate is a beautiful flower. Hard work is the only key to success. Subject, hard work. Predicate is the only key to success. The boy visited his friend in New York. Subject, the boy. Predicate, visited his friend in New York. My younger brother has many toy cars. Subject, my younger brother. Predicate, has many toy cars. Mathematics is an interesting subject. Subject, mathematics. Predicate is an interesting subject. Great work, kids! Today we learned about subject and predicate. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!